Hey y'all, hey, today we are making some chocolate brownies, strawberry banana brownies with some strawberry cream cheese sauce. So if you're new here, hit that like button for your girl. Join the family and comment down below because you know I want to know, honey. And we are using some overnight oats, honey. We are using the chocolate peanut butter. And we are using some double fudge brownie mix. Yes, we are, honey. Cooking with Ned made me do it. Cooking with Ned, you made me do it, but I wanted to add my little overnight oats, honey. See what they can do for you, girl. So here we're using the mixture, the overnight oats mixture. We're pouring it in. We're pouring it in the bowl, honey. I had a craving for chocolate. We're using my overnight oats. Chocolate peanut butter. Hit that like button for you, girls. Free and no cost tonight. And send me stars. Send me stars for your girl. Period. Because you already know what time it is. Hey, I poured it in. We pouring it in. We pouring it in. You need 2 eggs, okay? You need to add some water as needed. I ain't a baker, honey, but we baking today. I'm not Miss Shan Shorty recipes, but we're gonna give you some recipe today. Period. Okay, we poured it. It's gonna be a little messy, honey. You know, I'm just spilling stuff. Oh, do you see it? Do you see it? I'm spilling. I can't keep it together, girl. Your girl can't keep it together, okay? Period. The Miss Queens can't keep it together. Step that white queen, we can't keep it together, period. Yes, I should call myself the Miss Messies. Because this is gonna be real messy. I'm trying to make it cute, but it's not trying to be cute for your girl. Okay, so yeah, so I didn't show you the strawberry bananas. It was frozen in the freezer, but your girl had to add some extra in, okay? Because this is my breakfast before I go to work. Period. Y'all follow Cooking with Nat, honey. She bakes. She just hit her 1K. That's a mess. Do you see it? Do you see it? It's not a clean kitchen, but it's okay. So we're gonna hit it at 350 for 35 to 37 minutes. Period in the oven. I'm using my cream cheese sauce spread. Because somebody's that time to make no cream cheese because you gotta go to work next day, period. And nobody got time. These are my little brownies. And this is me, honey, and it's good. That filled up. Okay, here we go. Hey, that filled up all the mixes. Child, hit that like button. Send me some. You see it. You know you see it. You know you see it. Share this out. Oh, call me the Baker Queen. The Miss Baker Hat Queen, honey. Period. Girl. Fellas, make this for your girl because she gonna love it. Hey, because that's what time it is. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right. Period. All day, every day, honey.